Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Segway Ninebot scooter refuses to power on, don't panic because this is a problem that many riders experience at some point. A Segway Ninebot scooter may fail to start because of a drained battery, loose connections, temporary software glitches, or charging related issues. Fortunately, a scooter that won't turn on doesn't always mean that a major component has failed. In many situations, a few simple checks can help restore power and get the scooter working again. Before considering expensive repairs or replacement parts, there are several troubleshooting methods worth trying. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy steps that may help fix a Segway Ninebot scooter that is not turning on. Try these. Step 1. Verify that the Segway Ninebot scooter battery has enough charge. Step 2. Connect the charger and make sure the Segway Ninebot scooter responds normally. Step 3. Press and hold the power button on the Segway Ninebot scooter for several seconds. Step 4. Inspect the Segway Ninebot scooter for loose connections or visible damage. Step 5. Allow the Segway Ninebot scooter to rest briefly and then try powering it on again. Step 6. Confirm that the Segway Ninebot scooter starts properly and operates normally.